Good morning, students. Let us start with theme 4, the Central Islamic lands. This chapter will have many parts. Let us start from part 1 today. Children, the Central Islamic lands is lesson 4 in class 11th history book. The history of Islam concerns the political, social, economic and cultural developments of Islamicate civilization. Most historians believe that Islam originated in Mecca and Medina. In this chapter 4 of history book, we will discuss the rise of Islam in Arabia. Hijri era is known as the Islamic calendar. The rise of sultanates and causes for the breakup of the caliphate are also discussed in this lesson. Islamic lands brought three aspects of human civilization: religion, community, and politics. Sources to understand the history of Central Islamic land. Firstly, semi-historical works such as biographies, records of the sayings and doings of the Prophet, which were called as hadith, and commentaries on the Quran, which were called as tafsir, are available. Secondly, large collection of eyewitness reports, which were called as akhbar, transmitted over a period of time, either orally or on paper. The authenticity of each report was tested by a critical method called isnad. Thirdly, Christian chronicles written in Syriac are fewer, but they throw interesting light on the history of early Islam. Fourthly, besides chronicles, we have legal texts, geographies, travelogues, and literary works such as stories and poems. Children, what are travelogues? Travelogues are a film, book, or illustrated lecture about the places visited by or experiences of a traveler. They are called as travelogues. The rise of Islam in Arabia. Arabs before Muhammad, Bedouins. Before the Prophet Muhammad, the Arabs were divided into tribes which were called as Qabila. A chief was chosen on the basis of his family as well as his personal courage, wisdom, and generosity. These were the basis by which a chief was chosen. Many Arab tribes were nomadic. They were called as Bedouins, moving from dry to green area, that is oasis of the desert, in search of food. Bedouins is a very important question. Some settled in cities and practiced trade or agriculture. Importance of Mecca. It was in this city that Muhammad lived and controlled the main shrine, a cube-like structure known as Kaaba, in which the idols were placed. Tribes outside Mecca also considered the Kaaba holy and placed their idols in it. An annual pilgrimage they did there. Mecca was located on the crossroad of a trade route between Yemen and Syria, Y and S, which added to the importance of the city. Principles and messages of Prophet Muhammad. Muhammad was an Arab by language and culture and a merchant by profession. He declared himself to be a messenger of God, which was called as Rasul, and commanded to preach that Allah alone should be worshipped. He preached that worship should involve simple rituals such as daily prayers, which were called as Salat. His followers should follow moral principles such as abstain from theft, distribute alms, and be bound together through common religious beliefs. He preached to found a single community of believers which was called as Ummah. His followers were called as Muslims. They were promised salvation on the day of judgment, which was called as Qiyamah, and a share of the resources of the community while on the earth. Children, see you with the second part tomorrow.